Okay, we're back, and got my blackboard out, or my whiteboard out, and this is a square or a rectangle. Now, as far as boat aquatics, primarily water shoe aquatics. Well, we'll just start with boat aquatics. The best structure design for a boat is a rectangle. And that's great. And this is where we start. We start with a rectangle. And then we cube the rectangle, so give it some depth. And so a rectangle, now it's got some little body, it's got some body, and this becomes the best boat. I don't care how big it is or how small it is, this becomes the best boat. And that's great. But then becomes the problems. Now, if it's standing still or if it's just floating, that's great. But once you start moving, you would see that you would get something we call drag. I think in nautical terms they use drag. I think early on they used the word resistance, but then sometimes I think they use drag, which is basically the same thing. And so what happens? We have to it's kind of like a knife. A dull knife will cut, but it cuts bad. A dull hatchet would chop, but it's not efficient. But as we sharpen the blade, the thing cuts. The knife cuts better. The dull knife will work, but if you sharpen the blade, it cuts better.